With unending love and affection, my little child, I speak to you now. Please listen. Observe closely, for I am bringing you a very important news. A few days ago, someone dear who are now at peace in heaven, have been sending their spirit-filled message to your heart. Has been attempting to share a message of the utmost importance through me with compassion and concern. Will come find you first, letting you know that your loved one is at ease as they take in my warmth. Endless brightness devoid of suffering and anxiety, yet their love for you is more than that. This deep love drives them to reach out and lead you beyond even the boundaries between worlds. They want you to know that they have been looking over you for every tear you have cried in order to provide consolation and insight. Moment of joy, everyone has seen the challenges you've encountered, and your troubles haven't gone away. Unnoticed, your victories have been praised, and your development has given them a great deal of pride. Wants to project a sense of assurance and direction that they perceive. They implore you to have faith in the potential and purpose that brighten the path ahead of you. Journey, keep in mind my child, even when the path appears unclear or paved with hurdles. Because everything you do, your loved one, is a part of a bigger picture, a tapestry of events woven with divine intent. Wants you to understand that the questions you've been having are baseless, and that the judgments you've been debating are the ones that have kept you up at night, because they could see the wider picture and wanted you to believe in the I have infused you with wisdom. All the answers you seek are right here. All you need to do is quiet your mind and pay attention to the silent whispers in your heart. They have observed the weight of the burdens you've carried in quiet. It hurts them to watch you suffer by yourself and to see how reluctant you are to want assistance. They beg you to share your troubles and rely on the network of support that is all around you. Keep in mind that strength is not found in loneliness, but inside the community and love ties that I've bestowed upon you. There's a specific worry they've noticed, an issue that has been upsetting you, and they would like you to know that this too will pass. The difficulties you encounter are chances rather than penalties. Please donate us $100 to support us, for development and change. Have faith in the procedure, since even in the most at times, your loved one has been attempting to get your attention while my light leads you toward a better tomorrow. My messages are all throughout the planet, from the synchronicities and indications you see around you. Softly spoken words of wisdom and support that you've been seeing on a regular basis, the well-known melody that follows you everywhere you go, the chance meetings with total strangers who provide just the appropriate phrases serve as gentle reminders that these are not just coincidences. Because I am a part of your life and that everything is interrelated, would like you to focus more on your dreams during the peaceful hours of the night, when your mind is at peace, your spirit is more open to hearing. The whispers from dreams are frequently filled with meaning that goes beyond the symbols and situations you see, providing insights and answers to the queries that consume your waking moments. Maintain a dream. Write in your journal, my child, and consider the messages that your loved one's subconscious has to offer. Additionally, observe a skill or gift within you that you've been afraid to totally accept. They implore you to foster this. The aptitude to allow it to thrive and expand is not a chance occurrence, but a God-given talent intended for you to use. By accepting and cultivating this gift that helps you better connect with your life's purpose and the special, they want you to pardon the part you play in the vast orchestra of reality. You should punish yourself for previous errors, regrets that trouble you deeply, and ghosts in your ideas. It's time to let them go, because you are a human, my darling, and the journey life is a journey of growth and learning. Your history does not define who you are. Forms you accept the lessons, treasure the memories, But don't allow them get in the way of your as you go forward. Your loved one will see the beautiful soul that you are, above and beyond any perceived shortcomings or mistakes. Urgent message about a relationship in your life. Your loved one has noticed a link that needs to be your focus, whether it's on a love, familial, or friendship relationship. Moreover, they implore you to take care of any outstanding matters in order to close any gaps that may have developed over time. My child is precious and transitory, and our relationships are sacrosanct nourishment. These loving, empathetic, and transparent partnerships, in addition to encouraging communication, they also want you to pay attention to your physical health within the daily grind. Sometimes you've forgotten about the temple that is your body, but keep in mind that your physical well-being is inextricably connected to your mental and spiritual health. Give yourself enough time to your body with nutritious meals to partake in joyful and energizing activities. Your loved one highlights the value of relaxation and self-care and the need for you to strike balance in the middle of your hectic life. Your loved one recognizes the potential in the creative endeavor or concept that has been brewing in your imagination and encourages you to carry it to completion. This endeavor is a seed sown by rather than merely a fad divine inspiration. Via fostering and letting this notion blossom, you not only fulfill a portion of your mission while simultaneously making a meaningful impact on the lives of others, which they want you to be more present in. In the daily bustle, it's simple to let problems consume every minute. Regrets about the past or worries about the future, but life unfolds and marvels happen in the now. Love is most strongly felt when one is observant and practices savoring the little things. Joys include the feel of the sun on your skin, the sound of a loved one laughing, and the flavor of throughout these moments of presence. You'll discover serenity and a stronger bond with your favorite meal. The divine has observed times when you felt abandoned or alone, and they want you to know that this is completely untrue. You are surrounded by affection, both visible and though it may appear impenetrable from the outside. Love overcomes all. Boundaries are there in the soft wind caressing your cheek. They are with you in the unanticipated warmth that surrounds you when you are by yourself. They usually tell you to trust life's timetable, but occasionally you could feel like things are going too slowly for your ideal desires to materialize, yet there is perfect time in oftentimes, what appear to be delays are actually times when everything is getting ready. Conditions for your ultimate benefit. Have faith in this procedure, and your loved one encourages you to accept your individuality as your path unfolds. In a society when conformity is frequently pushed, your uniqueness is what makes you most strength. The eccentricities you attempt to conceal, the facets of who you are that you are occasionally afraid to display, they are the enjoy your uniqueness and what makes you unique, because it's in they've seen times when you've fulfilled your divine purpose by being fully yourself, whether it's a fear of failing, a fear of the unknown, or a fear of fears of not being good enough have occasionally kept you from stepping out on faith, something your loved one supports. Remember, my child, that bravery is not the absence of fear, therefore confront these anxieties head-on. Of dread, but when faced with action, the greatest growth frequently resides just beyond. There's a lesson about forgiveness that goes beyond your comfort zone. Holding on to resentment just lowers your spirits and harms your loved one, not to mention others who may have wronged you. Inspires you to let go of these responsibilities in order to break free from the bonds of the past hurts. This doesn't mean you should ignore or support harmful behavior. Instead, you should release yourself from there. You will discover liberation and tranquility if you forgive them emotionally. They want you to have faith in the power of your words and thoughts. Words have enormous power and your mind is a potent creator. Power to speak life into your dreams. Be aware of your inner conversation, and the energy you project out into the world. Dear darling, focus on thinking positively and observe how your reality starts to match your greatest desires. Would you like to be a vital part of our goal and provide a helping hand? Click the link below to purchase me a coffee. Your gift means the world to us in terms of sharing God's Word through our YouTube channel. We sincerely appreciate your loved one has observed the generosity in your heart and how frequently you put others before yourself while they serve as a lovely reminder of the value of self-care and self-love, which you cannot pour from an empty vessel. Cup, my child, remember to take care of yourself so you can replenish developing emotional and spiritual stamina in the process. You'll even more love to spread over the globe. They want you to know that it's acceptable to ask for assistance or rely on others during difficult times. The support structure surrounding you both ensures that you don't have to bear the weight of the world alone. Is stronger than you think in both the physical and spiritual realms. Accept their blessing of their assistance. Your loved one believes there is immense promise for them, just as you so readily back them. Change and development in your life. They advise you to welcome the winds of change and embrace metamorphosis instead than oppose them. Every conclusion marks a fresh start. Every challenge and opportunity. Have faith in the rejuvenation and rebirth process, since change is what brings about. They urge you to spend more time in nature as you grow and become more in tune with your truest self. You'll discover comfort, inspiration, and a stronger bond with the natural world and the divine. Takes time to stroll barefoot on the ground and inhale the aroma of flowers, to hear the wind's whispers through the trees. The natural world is a powerful healer and educator, imparting perseverance, beauty, and the cyclical aspect of life lessons. Your significant other highlights the value of joy and laughter in your life. They've seen times when the weight, when obligations has blocked up your natural light. Don't forget to schedule playtime for pursuits that truly happiness and laughter provide a direct line of communication with God. Therefore let your be joyful and let your laughter resound, since it is when you are closest to their genuine nature desires you to understand that the links of love you share never fade. The memories you have made are eternal, even though you may physically separate from them. Create suffering because the love you two have is greater than distance and time. Encircling you, encouraging you, and directing you toward. So, my little child, please know that you are eternally and infinitely loved. Backed by the message of hope, encouragement, and unending love that your loved one conveys. The journey. Believe in yourself and understand that each action you take is directed by the grace of God. Pay attention to the whispers in your heart, for in their silence, the echoes of heaven's love. Your loved one, though no more, can be found in the chambers. Physically present, continues to accompany you on your path, encouraging you to celebrate your victories and reassurance at times of uncertainty. Keep in mind that you are never. Go ahead bravely, because the love that unites us all is unbreakable and eternal. With love and the understanding that you are our valued child, your immense gratitude strengthens our heavenly mission. Press the button to assist us in sharing God's message of enlightenment and truth. In exchange, receive God's unending love and blessings onto you, my darling child, for you are being attracted by a tender summons. Stop and allow the immense meaning of this instant surround you. This is not a typical message, this is a direct communication from your heart Creator to yours. You are on hallowed ground, my child, for I am getting closer. From above to directly and deeply impact your life, imagine for a moment. The universe's creator has stopped to talk with you and is about to enter. Feel the weight of that as a message tailored precisely to your circumstances and heart enters your day. Love the sort that is aware of your most basic wants and is receptive to your silent prayers and is aware of the weight you bear. I am completely tuned into your challenges, worries about your health, your hidden fears, and I'm here to offer. You are not just words to me, but my actual presence to everyone who is tired of carrying the weight. Weight of this life, hear me now, I'm inviting you to come and discover. Let my serenity descend upon you like the softest of cloaks, protecting you.